Welcome back. Now in this video, we want to set up for lead collection as you start to initially get traffic to your offer. Now we are covered when someone leaves the page without taking action on our offer. However, there are going to be times when someone may not get to that point, and we want to be able to collect names and email addresses even before they get to the exit pop. And we can do this inside of most autoresponders. And so in this particular case, what we would do once we have created our list is we're going to just take a look and edit this particular form. And what you're going to notice is that the form gives us some options. The first option that we need to discuss is that the download file URL, well, you don't necessarily want to give the download right away. Once again, you want the person to opt in order to get the file. You want them to go ahead and become part of your list. And so you want to give them a thank you page, not a download URL at this point. Now, let's take a look at some of the other settings. Well, one of the things we can do is we can actually make sure that the box appears the way we want. So if we wanted to scale down or slide in or fade in, we can do that. We can decide on how long it takes to show up. And we can decide on how long it's actually going to show up for a particular user. And so we might put 3 days, we might put 90 days. And of course, if possible, we want these people to be double opt-in, so we want a confirmed opt-in. So what we would do is save and publish this form. We would then copy the code, and then we would go back to our site. We would then inject the code into a place where our scripts are going to be held. And then we're going to save it into our page builder. Now, every page builder is going to be different. Every autoresponder is going to be different, but you are going to have to get a code. You are going to have to put it either in the header or footer area of your page builder and then save. And what happens is when the visitor actually comes to the page, this form will eventually show up according to the delay. And so we get the opportunity to collect names and email addresses even before they consider the offer. Now again, this is something that you're going to want to test. You want to make sure that this does not affect your conversions and that this does not necessarily anger your affiliates, that you would just be collecting leads when they're actually sending traffic in order to make money with your offer. This isn't a hard and fast rule that you must have a popover, but it is a way for you to tighten up your funnel, collect more of the leads, and keep them inside of your marketing funnel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.